Dear data analyst, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the data analysis processes. Okay, so we have 5 different processes in data analysis, from gathering your data to making meaning of this data. Okay, so I'll share everything in between with you as well. So all you need to do is just to sit back and make sure you watch to the end of this video, because I'll be sharing the most crucial thing that you need to know at the end of this video. So sit back and watch to the end. So the first process of data analysis is what we call objective definition, or define your objective and your question. So this is where you define why you want to do data analysis in the first place. Why do you want to analyze this data in the first place? It's actually because you want to help a financial firm to get their revenue, their profit, and their cost of goods sold, and other things that they want to get in their overhead expensive, or those things. You want to analyze this for them. So this might be your objective, or the questions you want to ask in the analysis. We want to help a restaurant analyze their customer satisfaction and how their meals are being liked by customers. So this might actually be your objective, and it might be maybe you want to help a logistic company to know in and out their goods, or how customers are actually reacting to their deliveries, how fast their deliveries actually are. So it might actually be this thing you want to analyze in your data. So it might be any objective at all. So define your objectives and your questions. And the second process is for you to get data set for your analysis. This is where you source for different data sets, data for your analysis. Okay, it might be from different sources, from any source at all. So we source for this data for your analysis. So this process is what we call data gathering or data collection. This is where you collect data or you gather data for your analysis. And the next process is what we call data cleaning process. So this is where you clean your data to your own taste, because we have different tastes, right? So you might have different tastes than me. Okay, so you clean your data to your particular taste. This is where you clean your data the way you want it to be clean, but make sure you have your data clean, because unclean data will usually cause an inaccurate result. Okay, because if you don't have a clean data, you will never get your accurate analysis. Okay, so it's always good, because and this is actually the most crucial part of data analysis, is what we call data cleaning. So this is where you make sure your data is actually clean to your own taste. Don't forget, it's well clean to your taste, so you can actually get an accurate analysis. And the next process is what we call data analysis. So after clean your data, it is now the next thing for you to do is now to analyze this data you just clean now. So you analyze this data you just clean. Okay, analyze it so you find different patterns in your data, or analyze to find different trends in your data, or to get insights from your data. This is what you do with data analysis. Okay, so you use different tools for this analysis, like Power BI, Excel, Tableau, or Python for this particular analysis. Okay, so use any tool of your choice for this analysis. Okay, and your stakeholders might actually require you to use Excel only for your analysis, or they might require you to use Power BI for analysis, or they might require you to use that to like Looker or Data Studio for your analysis. Okay, so but make sure you know how to analyze data, so any tool that you want to use won't be an issue for you at all. The last step is what we call data interpretation and data visualization. So this is where you interpret the insights you got from a data analysis, or the the trends you got from analyzing your data, or the patterns you discovered from analyzing your data. This is where you now visualize them and you interpret them for your stakeholders to actually be aware of what you actually do. Because if you analyze your data, your stakeholders are not aware of your analysis at all, because they might not even understand what to analyze until you interpret it to them, or you visualize it using different charts like bar charts, or histogram, or pie charts, or any chart you want to use, or line chart, any chart at all you want to use to visualize this insight that you got, or the patterns or the trends that you got from your analyzing your data set. So this is last part now, where you interpret it to make sense to the stakeholders, where you visualize it to be able to be like for a visual aid to your stakeholders. So this is last part of your analysis process. So my goal this year is actually to get to a 10k subscribers, and that should be our collective goal here, right? So to get to 10k subscribers, and what you just need to do for me now is to subscribe to this channel. Let's get to this together. Subscribe here so you can be part of this journey, and you might not be able to see me again after this video, but if you subscribe now, then you always see me here. I'll be posting more videos from now on, so make sure you subscribe and share with your friends, subscribe as well, and get me to 10k subscribers this year. Thank you. Ciao.